Sit ye around, and I'll tell to you the way my heart came to be, entrapped and held forever bound to this master unkind, the sea. When I was but a tiny lad, great burdens placed on me, to watch my mom and o'er the farm. Well, Dad, he went to sea. I worked so hard, and then one day the sun darkened in the sky, and Mother said that Father's gone. At night I hear her cry. So at this age I took his place. His friends had settled my mind. Your father worked hard for you, son. To no one was unkind. My mother, she writes and hides in words that everything's fine as can be, but the tear stains tell me how she hates the life on the sea. But I'll be home in a year or so. There's no place that I'd rather be, and I'll leave you, my friends, and my sad mind to this master unkind, the sea.